Oh, follow you?
Down. How?
Stay away from the mud. Yeah, don't touch the mud. You want to go to the slide?
Running. How?
Running park. You're running in the park. Whoop. Bump. Can you show me how you go down the slide?
Side. Good.
Good.
Hi. Fighting. How?
Where are you going? Where do you go first?
Ladder.
Ladder.
Left.
Up the stairs.
Good. Fun.
Fun.
Down. Baby. Left. Deep. Deep. Down. Side.
Again slide.
Whee!
Yay!
good
Give me
job.
5.
Poke.
New park. Where are you gonna go now? Okay, climb up. Let's see. Can you climb up? Let's see if you can do it. Mika, it's easier to climb up over here. Come here. Climb here. Hi.
Yeah, it's very high.
It's easier on this side. Come here. Here. Climb up. Good job. Yeah. Whoop. Almost. Try again. Most important meal of the day. What meal is that? Most important meal of the day. Breakfast.
Good climbing.
Good climbing. Oh, what are you going to do first? Bridge?
Help.
Do you want help? Walking bridge. Okay, let's go back.
Go back.
You want to try it by yourself? Mika, you want to try the big slide?
No, baby. Stop. Clean up.
Okay, let's see the big slide. Going up.
Up. Bye-bye.
Oh, here she comes. Big slide. Here we go. Ready? Whee! Good job. Yeah. Good work.